Hello, everybody. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these really easy DIY boho rustic floral wedding invitations. Really pretty, really elegant, and let me just tell you, super easy to make. Do not be intimidated by the fact that this is a DIY project because you will do just fine. I'm going to show you step by step how easy it is. And once you're done with this, all you have to do is save it to your computer, and you can either print it from home or you can print it at any um, print vendor of your choice, such as Kinko's, Office Max. You can do an online vendor like Vistaprint. Any of those will work. We also have one that we use, and I will leave the link down below so that you guys can check them out if you want to. Their quality is really great, and their prices are super affordable. So if you're looking to save hundreds of dollars on your wedding budget, this is the way to go. So let's get started. On the template, you'll see when you first get it, it's blank. All it has here is the artwork. So all you're going to do is you're going to open up PicMonkey. You're going to go up here to www.picmonkey.com, and you're going to choose to open up the file from your computer. So once you have this open in PicMonkey, all you have to do is add your text. So let me just show you. You're going to click on this little T icon over here on the left that stands for text, and you'll see all of these different fonts that PicMonkey has to offer that you can use. Or alternatively, if you have a font that you prefer to use, on font that maybe you've downloaded, you can choose yours right here, and this will pull up all the fonts that you already have on your computer. But for the sake of this tutorial, I am going to show you using the free fonts on PicMonkey. So I'm going to go ahead and get started by first using this Cardo font for some of the text, and then I'll use a different font for some of the other text. So you're going to click on Add Text, and you'll see a text box here that popped up, and you're just going to double click inside of it, and I'm going to start typing the things that I want on the invitation. Now you're going to notice that when I start typing, the letters are going to be really super big. Don't worry about that. I'm going to resize it and make it look really pretty at the end, and you'll see just how I do that. So for right now, we're just going to start typing. So at the very top above the flowers, I want it to say, together with their families. I'm just going to highlight this text, and I'm going to go over here to the right, and I'm going to center it. And then I'm going to drag this little button down to the left to make the font smaller. And 52 is about good. And I'm going to then drag the text box to the top, right about here. Now I'm going to right click on this text, and I'm going to hit duplicate text, and it's going to duplicate that same font in the same size, so it makes it really easy to just keep going. I'm going to drag it down, and right here is where I'm going to put the names of the bride and groom. So I'm going to go down a little further first and just put the details for the wedding in, and we'll do the names last. So together with their families, and then we'll put the names, and then we're going to say, request the honor of your presence as they are joined together marriage. You can use whatever wording you want. I'm just using some standard wedding wording, but you can have it say whatever you want. So now I'm going to drag it to about here, and I'm going to keep going. Saturday, June 3rd, 2019 at 3 or 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Oak Valley Country Club. I'm putting in some fake information just so you guys can see how it works. And then at the end, I'm going to put reception to follow. Okay, now I'm going to drag this down to about here. And now I'm just going to add the name of the bride and groom, and I'm going to use a prettier font for the names just so they stand out more. I think I'm going to use this one, Great Vibes. And I'm going to click Add Text. And here we go. The, let's see, the bride's name, let's say Rachel Marie Miller. Okay, there's her name. And now I'm going to copy and paste, duplicate that text. And now I'm going to just put the groom's name here, Joshua Aiden Smith. I'm going to center it, and I'm going to put it here. And I'm going to put the word and in the middle, but I want the word and to be in this font. So I'm going to duplicate the text. Just drag this down in between the names, like so. Highlight it, and I'm going to put and. Make sure it's centered. And there you go, your invitation is done. Do you see how easy that was? It took me just a few minutes to get that done. Super easy. Anybody can do it. It's free. You have all these font choices here that you can choose from, or you can download your own fonts. It's really up to you. And I'm telling you, you guys, this saves you so much money when you go to print. If you print from home, just print out on white cardstock. Or if you choose to even use a print vendor, even that saves you a ton of money. Anytime you're doing a DIY project, it almost always will save you a ton of money. And we all know that wedding invitations are super expensive. So I hope this helped you guys. I'm going to leave links down below so that you guys can access this template. It will also come with the RSVP and the details card, so you guys can do those as well. And if you have any questions at all, feel free to leave me a comment or send me an email, and I'd be more than happy to answer your questions and be as helpful as I can be. And I hope this was easy for you guys to understand and it made sense. And I hope I didn't ramble on too much. But anyways, I hope you guys have a really good day. Oh, and one more thing. When you're ready to save this to your computer, just click on the export button here at the top, and it'll go step by step. It'll be self-explanatory from there. You just save it to your computer, and then your file is ready for print. So I hope everybody enjoyed this video, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.